Hey everybody, welcome to Peppa Pig Park. We're going to be exploring the day today for my daughter Emmy's 4th birthday. So come check it out. It's a beautiful day so far. A little cloudy, but overall not too bad. So should be a lot of fun. So we'll check it out. Peppa Pig Park.
Playground. Okay.
What do you think so far?
Hey, it's really cute.
Emmy! Say something. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
It's your birthday! I want to point out really quick the shades that are up here. So I like the shading here. That's one thing that a lot of the other theme parks in the Orlando area do not have. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Comment.
go on wanted to take a second and talk about these birthday buttons that you typically get at all the theme parks with the little pin in the back. Peppa Pig Park actually came out with a sensory-friendly button that just clips right into your shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this just in a moment, but these things are absolutely just so cute, and they are flushed against the shirt, which is perfect. So as you can see right here, it just basically clips into your shirt. Very sensory friendly, awesome to have, and when you're done, you just unclip it and it pops right out. The cool thing is you can also rotate them to different color ones. I wish they bring more out, but right now I only found 3. This one right here, an orange one that was given for Halloween, and a purple one that's given for Halloween as well. These are really great sensory friendly options. I hope all the theme parks in Orlando eventually bring them out. When you visit Peppa Pig's theme park, you definitely got to pick a couple up and take a couple home. You excited, Emmy?
Yeah.
You gonna meet Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
All right, we're next.
Okay. I can also get over here.
Yeah, make sure to do it with your phone.
Okay, Emmy, look over here. Say cheese. Cheese. Yay. And now with Lucca. Lucca, come over here.
We're gonna have another friend.
Go back with Peppa. Go back with Peppa.
Have both our friends.
Let's do
Do you want to hold her other hand?
it. Could you take the picture?
I can take a photo for you.
So
We're gonna take a
both
family.
siblings can come over here.
There we go.
This way.
Beautiful.
There you go. And now I'll go.
So I should get in the photo. Alrighty, we are back to try a little bit more of the pizza. And you know what? I'm gonna be honest, it's not bad. I was thinking it was gonna be worse.
I think it's good.
Again, is it accurate?
Yeah.
No. But is it good to eat? Yes.
Does it fill me up? But I think the downfall to this is knowing that there is a Publix with a deli right across the street. I mean, you ready for the splash pad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Todos los demás parques se dejan hacer.
That's my color is slide.
On the plus note, if you did get any drinks here, it's $4.99 for the day, unlimited refills. So you can fill that up as much as you want. And yeah, I even got water cups to fill up. I'm just kidding. No, we brought our own sodas from home. So if you don't want to spend $4.99 for that, you can bring some sodas in a small cooler as well and bring some food. We brought some food for the baby because she doesn't like flatbreads, but we did try grilled cheese for her. I think overall it's pretty good. So yeah, I give this restaurant a 6 out of 10.
That was see the video. That was see the video.
Theming wise, I love the theming here. It feels like you're inside the cartoon. I give that a 10. The food, I'm like 6.
That was see the video.
Okay, Camille says she gives it an 8.
And I give it 8 and a million. 10.
8 million. Okay.
She's not born here?
8 million, 10, 8.
8 million. Best day ever. Yeah. My final thoughts about the park. The park was small, but the splash pad definitely ended up being a great end-of-day activity. The gift shop was cute, the theater room was perfect for a quiet space, the rides had some amazing theming as well. I love that it was autism certified, and also they had a lot of sensory friendly options. They also offer a disability type pass called the Hero Pass. I recommend as soon as you get to the park, go to guest services and talk to them. Overall, the park is great for families with little ones and a memorable experience. We hope to come back one day and hopefully do a video about Legoland. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.